Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube. We're going to be talking CKB and all this madness here, but first, I wanted to kind of show you guys the new banner and icon, so if you're looking for my channel or videos, look for the 6. Now, I also created a poll a couple days ago. I said, how often should I create new videos? Well, it looks like the masses have spoken. Daily wins every other day. So folks, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do my best to get you a daily video, but if that doesn't happen, it's going to be every other day. Now, we've also got a new Twitter account at Real Six Fig Stock Trader. Easy to find. I've already got 7 followers. I haven't even publicized this channel on Twitter yet, and already people are following me, so thank you all for that. Back to July 14th, the July 11th, July 14th predictions I've been making for the last 2 weeks. And it looks like I was exactly right. July 14th comes around and we break the floor. Solid break. We can see that we have had massive support since late May. And we broke through on the 14th. So using scientific methods, I was able to determine when CKB was going to take the next leg down. And if you remember me doing this, I said, folks, be careful. We could be seeing another corrective wave happen. I've been saying this for the last 2 weeks, and I hate to repeat myself, but I've been saying this for the last 2 weeks. What's going on with CKB right now? Well, let's go ahead and look at it on a 12-hour chart. What I'm seeing right away here, bear with me, is the fact that we are going into a symmetrical triangle. Now, if you look at this here, I think what's going to happen is off this bearish dog leg here, it's not really a dog leg, it's clearly a corrective wave on a 12-hour chart. This symmetrical triangle will likely lead to a further loss of value for CKB. And we can also tell that on this Fibonacci channel, the next stop for CKB, folks, is really around, I want to say this 0.0085-ish level. And we're really going to have to hold this 0.786, I believe, 786 level to have any chance of rebounding. I'm hoping this is what happens. I'm hoping we can get some clear consolidation here, kind of bounce between this 0.0085 and 1 cent level, and maybe form some sort of an ascending triangle. Because what's going to eventually happen is if we can trade sideways, we might see this 50 moving average kind of come down like this. And if we can kind of trade sideways, we can test this 50 moving average and maybe try to hop up on top of that. Now, I was really disappointed to see CKB break this floor because I thought on the 14th there was a great chance at possibly moving upwards and out of this baby ascending triangle within the larger ascending triangle. We're still trading under the cloud, and folks, this really is almost the beginning of the death cross here, so I wouldn't be surprised to see us fall further. I would definitely say the 61.8 level might be a good catch for CKB. This would also be the 50% level as far as a retracement is concerned. So this level is going to be a very powerful level for CKB, right around this 0.0068-ish level. That's really all I've got for you guys on CKB, but let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin. And this is interesting because remember how for the last 2 or 3 weeks I've been talking about the July 11th, July 14th, time frame to pay attention to. Well, Bitcoin really sunk its teeth in on July 11th. And we can see that this was the last hurrah for Bitcoin at the moment. And it's been nothing but downhill since. Granted, we are not seeing full-bodied bearish candles happening right now. It'll be interesting to see what happens over the course of the next few days. I really do think that Bitcoin is in more trouble than CKB. We also have a time sequence appearing September 4th. So is this going to be kind of one of these long, drawn out bleeds that we've been so used to the last few months? Nobody knows, but I have a feeling that we could see Bitcoin linger down to the low 20,000s. I would say, in fact, we could see it hit as low as 21,000 to maybe 23.5 within the next month and a half. So by September 4th, I wouldn't be surprised to see Bitcoin lingering down here, and then maybe this becomes some sort of pivot point. At this point in time, it would almost make sense to see some sort of inverse head and shoulders forming on the daily chart. Now, I had also wanted to kind of talk about BQX, and BQX is an interesting animal. I really do enjoy the team over at Voyager. At DPurge531. I talk about him every once in a while. I've had him on my show. I'm going to have him on again soon, so check him out on Twitter and on YouTube. I'll drop a link in the description for his social media. BQX Voyager app is kind of looking iffy at the moment right now. We can see the 50 moving average is almost skewering this trend line here. And we have a time sequence for BQX on July 30th. So it wouldn't surprise me if we saw BQX do one of two things. Either crush right through this Fibonacci channel, the 23.6, and kind of run down to this lower $1.45 level, or else we have another option. Either we're going to rebound off of this 23.6 line and kind of do one of these, and eventually the sliver and the trend line will force BQX to move in either direction. So currently it looks like BQX did death cross on the daily. We're kind of floating around in the aftermath. So I would say within the next 2 weeks for BQX, if it doesn't drop any lower than $1.90, I'm going to say maybe $1.88, there's still hope for it to continue trading sideways in the range of the $1.88 to $2.25 level. I think we'll see a median average of right around $2 when this makes its move to squeeze out of this symmetrical triangle that it's in. So folks, that's it. That's all I got for you today. Thank you all for watching. Smash that like button, please. We need to get this video up to over 50 likes. And also, don't be afraid to drop a comment in the comment section below. Again, I'll try to get another video for you guys out tomorrow. I know I've been kind of quiet this week. I've been busy. So, with that said, have a great night, and we'll catch you guys later.